Hello there. Today I show you my Golden Effect collection, how to use it and custom it. We have include this collection Gold Photo Effect Photoshop Action. This is regular version, only Gold Photo Effect. And this one is a Gold Oil Painting Photo Effect Photoshop Action. This is oil painting, and this one is a text effect, golden text effect, and we have include two version golden. There is show on, another one is our include main file, and this one is a template, gold effect template, photo template. So all are different but include this package. Okay, now I show you step by step how to use Photoshop gold Photoshop action and gold oil pin Photoshop action and gold text and photo template. Okay, this is previously apply some result. I show you the looking how is look. See, this is the effect and this is original photo after and before looking. Another photo, this is oil painting, golden oil painting. This is original photo. See, original photo, effect photo and effect zoom photo. You can change combination color, you can combine the color and retouching it yourself. See, after and before, the quality is sharp. If your photo is more sharp photo. Okay, this is the text effect golden, and another one, and our photo effect is this one. Okay, this is the download file. There is the folder I have separate and a help file there. You can see our help file. There is mentioned something, photo image size and our supporting information and how to use, and download font link. For font use in golden text effect, you can download this font and install your PC. Okay, just copy the link and paste and download and install it. Then use our text effect, then text is show as it is. Okay, now I start showing. First I show the oil paint, this one. Select and double click, or you can load manually. Go your Photoshop, go window and action option, click action plate. Maybe show the left side, right side show you. I have settled it left side for better understanding purpose, showing purpose. This is the layer option. If not show the layer panel, go window and layer panel, click. And now go the mode option and load button, click, and find out my download file, main file, and go there the oil pin first. Select and load button, click. Make sure your photo is a update version and oil filter is include. Now I open a photo. You can open any type of photo. This time I have opened this photo. Make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. There is RGB show. If not, go image mode and RGB, click there. If show any images, click OK button, and make sure your photo is a layer. Photo is a log background layer, and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format. That is not accept the action. Action make the error result. You need to fix it first. How to fix it? Right button, click your mouse and fit an option show, and click the fit an option. Now is set a fit an option, and make sure your image size. We recommend size help file include. You can use 1500 pixel or 2000 pixel or 2500 pixel or 300 pixel. If not the high resolution need, so you can less the size. Our action working fast or nicely. You can use any high resolution, does not matter it. So if any size area is biggest, just type there 2500 pixel Note it, you can use any of size, any high resolution, but I use this time this size for standard and click or time saving purpose. If I use the large size image and play the script, so need some time extra to come out our result photo effect. Select all in on, play action, select the all in on and play this button and start working. I say again, is define your PC configuration and image resolution size. And oil filter is included Photoshop. You can check out the filter version is working. Finish, then I show you. Okay, hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom, there is more layer undo. This is finishing default result message. So check out this option, filter and oil pin. Okay, if the oil pin open and then it's work perfectly. And our golden photo effect is not required the oil painting, only this one required. See the looking and great result is perfect and awesome quality. And our hidden resource formula, see, is great. Just make sure your photo is a good quality photo, then result best. And if you want to retouching it, you can retouch it for manually, like the pick the color, like this one, there is no do not like this black shade, so you can pick the color in this line and create a new layer and brush tool and sub brush. Now you can brush area, see, so you can recover it very easily. And there is the option I show you. If you don't like to sharp eye, just select the max point, this white point, and sub brush select, this is general sub brush, and brush the area. See, now sharp is coming. We set up it, just brush area, which area you need to sharp, just brush area. Normal way you just brush area, sharp is now show. You can opacity 100% it and brush area. I think now perfect and no need to more. And there is the shading option. I have include different looking. See, just view this one shading. See the looking shading is show, and you can double add shading, include or hide this one and use this one. There is another looking and another looking and another looking. Which one you like, you can use it. See, I like to this one. And there is the another shading option, the photo little working sometime, and another one. See, and there is the color option. You can use this color tone change and another color tone, another. We do not show this one, the looking in preview, our preview, product preview. See the reddish tone. And another one I have include more. This is the adjustment. You can double click this and adjust it if you want the dark mode. See the looking, you can contrast it. Another one, another one, another one, and another one. Okay, now it's fixed. Now I show you another product. I have closed it, and now I have open. Okay, I have opened this photo. Go my folder, and there is the visit this folder and action file, golden photo effect. this is the extra file, not needed, this one cover file. So this one is our script, so we need to load this one. See, golden photo effect. Go Photoshop and go more option and load, find out the folder. Now gold photo effect, select and load button click. Now gold photo effect is included, not while one is first one, and secondly we have used this gold photo effect. So I have opened any photo, okay, this one, and I have changed the size for fast working purpose. I have typed there 2500 pixel, and everything is okay. RGB color, lock background icon is perfect, and select all in one and hit the play button. Start working, and I show you my template and text effect, how to use it and how to change that text. See, the looking is great. If you think you remove this black shade, this brush here option you can select, and the brush, make sure sub brush in general section brush, and make sure top color is black. Only this option, this is script photo gold photo effect, and you can brush, see it's remove, and you can raise the opacity and brush the area. Now it's removed. Okay, and there is the option, some option I have include. See, you can use it and use this is another combination. This script do not need any filter like wall paint, and you can use this one and this combination and another combination. Just make sure your photo is a good quality photo, good lighting and shading, then look like same hour. See, another looking and adjustment. So I have closed this one now and show you my text template. Okay, this one golden text template, and there is show two template. I have shown this one now, first one like this one, the golden, double click and it's open our Photoshop, and your text replace here option is there, and this is all are extra. You just uncheck this decoration and it's perfect. Now you can, I just view this one and double click this one and open a new window. So you can change text there. You can download this font name is there show, and I have include my download help file. You can check out my help file, there is I given the link, font download link. Now I type there my name MRI, so, and Control T for transform it. I need to a little bigger, and my name is shortly I have used MRI, and I make the alignment. Okay, and save button click. Now is saving my main template. I back to main template. See, it's changed nicely. There is the lens option. You do not like the lens, you can uncheck the lens, and you need to lens fix. So select the lens tool and Control T from transform. You can any area you can replace the lens. I have replaced this option. Okay, and another one there, Control T, and I have replaced this option. Okay, I think it's perfect for me. Perfect, and you can uncheck this decoration, do not like your decoration, and uncheck background and uncheck the background color. Then you can save it PNG or out of lens. You can out lens and save it PNG now very easily. Okay, and now I show you my photo template. Also this one is the same. You can double click there and change the text name. My name is Coco. So I have placed the size, okay, and save. Checkout main template, see, okay. I have closed it and show you photo template. This is the photo template option, this one. Double click and is open my Photoshop and your photo is replaced here. Double click this option. This is the masking, show the photo looking. Now we can open any type of photo, like I have opened this photo this time, and make it transparent. Quick selection tool, select, and there is select subject button. Click the select subject button. Now if you select quick selection tool, and there is show the select subject button. Now auto select your focus and marks the option, click auto your background remove. Now move and place it in our new window, photo replacement window, and uncheck the hide me option. And now you can save this, and photo is saving our main template. See, smart object working. And now I have checked my smart object. See, is the darkish look, and you can adjust the color and everything is included there. See, more faded. This is darkest look, and you can use the adjustment, like go there and the brightness adjust, double click and use this adjustment yourself. See, now is bright. I show you my wall print again, just wait and see, and just the quality I need to show you. The old man is perfect shading. See the photo, shading, lighting, and everything is good. Now I have changed the size. I have typed there 2200 pixel any of side, and this one is my while gold photo effect oil pin. Select the all in on and hit the play button. Wait and see the quality in realistic golden looking, and is very advanced quality. So you can must need this collection. Okay, it's finishing now. See, is looking is too good, and awesome looking color combination. See, there is no mistake, any mistake. The photo is perfectly looking show. So we recommend this product for you if you like the golden color looking and painting. See the shading. If I use the shading, see the looking detail is added. The shading is what the detail, another detail, and another, and I have hide this, and there is the another detail looking. See, but I do not like this one. I like this one, and I literally add this one, the photo shade 1, and there is more color effect. You can combine it, the darkish looking, and another one. You can download this product our marketplace store, MRI Studio Creative Market. Also you can download our on-site photoshop-action.net. this site you can download our free file in free file section, flash sale option going on, and 99% offer going on our bundle, the bundle option. Check out download link include in my this video description. Check out the description and subscribe our channel for upcoming more video and our free file news, how to use free file, like this section. Use the free file and download free file and use it and custom it. Just show you, see, this is a free item, man, so you can use it, and total tutorial we have shared you. Thanks for watch this video.